Is the Chainsaw Man box set worth it? In the box set, you get Volume 1 through 11 and a double-sided poster. The set costs £80 at retail, which converts into $107.68. If you buy the 11 books separately, it will cost you around £97.89 or $131.76. The box set will save you around £19.89 or $26.77. It looks great on your shelf or on display. The bright, neon colors make it stick out like a sore thumb. In my opinion, the Chainsaw Man series is some really good books to collect and read. In my next video, I will talk about the Attack on Titan Colossal Edition. By the way, this is my first video. In conclusion, I think it is definitely worth buying. You also get a box. Bye.